This is your brain. Well, it might not be your brain, but it is a brain. Our brains are divided into two hemispheres. The right and left hemispheres of the brain are connected by several bundles of fibers, the largest of which is the corpus callosum. The corpus callosum allows information sent directly to one hemisphere to be available to the other hemisphere. If it is severed, the two hemispheres can even operate as separate, independent brains. For most sensory and motor functions, our brain exhibits contralateral representation. This means that the left hemisphere controls the functions of the right side of the body, and vice versa. Although both hemispheres play a role in most behaviors, each hemisphere tends to specialize. This brain lateralization is also referred to as hemispheric specialization. To some extent, it can even be apparent at birth. There's a wide variety of functions that differ between the two hemispheres. For example, the left hemisphere plays a role in verbal memory, while the right hemisphere plays a role in nonverbal memory. The left hemisphere has a role in positive emotions, with the right having a role in negative emotions. Information about brain lateralization was initially obtained from studies of split brain patients whose corpus callosum had been severed as a treatment for severe epilepsy. Although the surgery was able to reduce seizures, it affected certain kinds of responses. Lateralization has subsequently been studied using a variety of techniques. The dichotic listening task is used to study language lateralization. An individual is presented with two sequences of digits, one sequence to each ear. Research has found that people typically recall more digits heard by the ear that is contralateral to their dominant hemisphere, so usually the right ear. But remember, kids, no individual is right-brained or left-brained. That's just a silly little myth.